Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2, we're digging into more fuel system warnings, from leaks to that check engine light, and what to do before it's too late. Dirty fuel filters. Clogged filters act like a kinked hose, choking off fuel flow. Even minor blockages force the engine to work harder just to start. Common symptoms include rough idling. The engine shakes or vibrates more than usual. Sluggish acceleration. Power fades when you press the gas pedal. Frequent stalling. The engine cuts out, especially at low speeds. Check filters every 15,000 to 20,000 miles or sooner if you fuel up in dusty areas. A clean filter ensures steady fuel delivery, preventing starting struggles down the road. If your truck feels lazy on startup, swap the filter first. It's a quick fix with major benefits. Visible fuel leaks or smells. If you catch a whiff of gasoline or spot wet patches under your truck, don't shrug it off. Fuel leaks are more than just messy. They're dangerous. Gasoline is highly flammable, and even a small drip near a hot exhaust pipe can spell disaster. Worse, leaks waste fuel and pollute the environment. Immediate action keeps you safe and prevents bigger repair bills. Damaged fuel lines. Fuel lines endure constant pressure, vibrations, and exposure to road debris. Over time, they can wear out or corrode, leading to leaks. Here's how to spot trouble. Check for wet spots. Look under the truck for fresh drips or dark, oily stains along the fuel lines. Inspect for cracks or rubbing. Lines rubbing against sharp edges or chafing from mounts can develop weak spots. Feel for soft spots. A spongy or bulging fuel line often means internal damage. A quick visual inspection takes minutes, but can save you from a roadside breakdown. If you find damage, replace the lines right away. Patches are a temporary fix at best. Faulty fuel tank or cap. A cracked fuel tank or loose cap is an open invitation for leaks and vapor loss. Here's why it matters. Cracks in the tank. Age or impact damage can split seams or puncture the tank, letting fuel escape. Loose or damaged cap. A bad seal allows fuel vapors to escape, polluting the air and costing you money and lost efficiency. Check the tank for rust, dents, or visible cracks, especially after rough hauls. A simple twist test on the cap ensures it locks tight. If you smell gas but don't see leaks, the cap might be the sneaky culprit. Ignoring these issues isn't just risky. It's expensive. Fuel leaks drain your wallet at the pump and put you at risk on the road. Spot them early, fix them fast, and keep rolling safely. Check engine light warnings. Your truck's check engine light isn't just a suggestion. It's a direct alert that something's wrong. Modern trucks use sensors to monitor fuel system performance, and when something's off, that little light flashes for attention. Ignoring it could turn a small fix into a costly repair. Here's what it might be telling you. Common diagnostic trouble codes. When the check engine light comes on, mechanics pull diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, to pinpoint the issue. Some fuel-related codes you might see. P111 lean fuel mixture. The engine isn't getting enough fuel, often due to clogged injectors, a weak fuel pump, or a vacuum leak. Check fuel pressure and inspect for leaks first. P190 fuel pressure sensor issue. A faulty sensor or wiring glitch misreads pressure, causing erratic performance. Test the sensor and wiring harness for damage. P087 low fuel pressure. The fuel pump or filter might be failing, starving the engine. Replace worn parts before it leads to stalling or hard starts. If your scanner shows any of these codes, don't just clear them and hope for the best. Investigate the root cause. Because the light will come back. Importance of professional diagnosis. Guessing the problem based on a code alone is like diagnosing an illness with WebMD. It's rarely accurate. A professional mechanic uses tools like fuel pressure testers and smoke machines to track down leaks or weak spots you might miss. Ignoring the light risks. Costly repairs. A $200 sensor fix now could prevent a $2,000 fuel pump failure later. Reduced efficiency. Running too lean or rich burns more fuel, draining your budget at the pump. Safety hazards. Fuel leaks or pressure problems increase fire risks, especially on long hauls. If that light's on, treat it like a flat tire. You wouldn't keep driving on it. Get it checked, fix it fast, and stay ahead of bigger trouble. Your trailer truck's fuel system won't whisper when something's wrong. It'll shout. Decreased mileage, strange engine noises, hard starts, leaks, and that stubborn check engine light are all warnings you can't ignore. Small issues today turn into costly breakdowns tomorrow. Stay ahead by keeping filters clean, fixing leaks fast, and listening to your truck's cues. Scheduling a professional inspection now saves time, money, and stress later. If you've noticed any of these red flags, don't wait. Book a fuel system check today and keep your rig running strong. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.